Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracy back from Mackley House. How are you all doing? And Daisy. So I thought I'd give Daisy a quick show now that she's awake, because I think the last time she's been asleep, so you haven't actually got to see her. But this is my cute little Paps, and she's a menace. She's being so good during the day, but she's got huge anxiety, so she doesn't want to be separated from you for not a second, because if she is, she's going to howl like crazy. So nighttime is a problem, hence the dark eyes. I'm not getting a lot of sleep, so we'll put Daisy down. There you go, girlie. You carry on playing and chewing and whatever. So today, let's get back to it. We've got a little Temu haul today, just home decor that I want to dig into. There's more on its way, but I wanted to dive into this little bit because I want to use them. And then we've got a diamond painting haul, which I will also record today, and we'll get that done whilst Daisy's in a good mood and not keeping me on my toes. So as per normal, links to all the products that I've purchased are down below in the description for you, with the prices at the time that I ordered them. So let's get on to it. Okay. So let's start with the first one. What to start with? Let's start with the little drinkies. Okay, let's do something I've already done before. And that is this. As you can see, I've got one here. And it's an anti-static bracelet. And I wanted a second one because I thought maybe it'll discolour or it'll break or something. So I thought whilst I'm at it, I'd get a second one. And click it open, she says, using my teeth. Naughty. But as you can see there, this is just rubber, and you can cut that and then you slide it in and then clamp it shut. That's pretty much it. And it's got the two little metal pieces on it that I've twisted it now to help get rid of the static. I have noticed a difference. I'm happy that I haven't actually had. I've had a couple of static shots in my ankle. You know where my ankle goes near the metal wheel of the chair? Yeah, I've had a couple of little zingers there. But I've had nothing with my hands since wearing this. I don't know if that is a coincidence or not, but I bought another one. It's only a couple of quid while I was at it. So that's the first one. Another product that I've already got were these. And I've got two sets of these. One is a bag of 40 and one is a bag of 30, but it's the same thing. And they're supposed to be like moss covered pebbles. And I started putting them in my plant pot in the porch and I didn't have enough. So I ended up buying, I don't know how I got two, but I've got a bag of 40 here and a bag of 30. So I will link them both down below. I have noticed that the bag of 40s have got bigger pebbles in. Look, let me dig one out. Look at the size of that one. That's a whopper. So maybe that's the difference. You can see these are much bigger pebbles than these. The average size seems to be about an inch, but there is a couple of big ones in that one. So that's two of those, 2 bags of those. And I'm going to go and fill up the rest of my plant pot with those. And because last time I bought, what did I buy? It was a fake orchid, and I want to put it in a bigger pot, and I want to put some of those around the top just to hide the plasticky bottom bit. So that's why there's so many of them. Right, what else have I got? What else have I already purchased? Yeah, this. I bought these, and these are thin cast iron little decor, black decor, of which I really thought, on the top of a picture, they'd look, you know when you've got nice little grouping, a little gallery of different pictures, on one of them, you could have this on the top, bit of deco, you could even put it top and bottom of a picture, so that'd look nice. Or above a mirror, or above a door frame, which is what I plan on doing them. So I bought another one while I was at it, because I need a few of them, and I thought I'd just slip one in every time I do an order. And these are about, I think they're about 16-inch long-ish. So they're not as wide as a doorway, for instance, but they're nice and thin, and I plan on blue tacking them above the door frame. I could hot glue, I suppose, but blue tack works just as well, so I'll probably just blue tack. So that's another one that I've already done. Right, let's do another one. This is pillowcase, and I loved it. As soon as I saw it, it's a Union Jack flag, but they classified it as a glam flag, because I didn't want just a straightforward flag. I wanted one that looked like it was a little bit worn or something different about it. So I got this one. Let's turn it up the right way. And it's got, like, you can see brick pattern in it. I just loved it. As soon as I saw it, I loved it. Now, I think this is a 17-inch. And I do have a feather pillow right here. Let's chuck it in. Now, I think this feather pillow might be a little bit smaller than 17-inch, so, but let's try it out. But it looks fabulous, because I wanted it for the back of this chair, because this chair is one of those cross-legged office chairs that you can get, and I love it. The cross-legged chairs are good for if you've got fat bums as well. It gives you a bit more space. Plus, there's no arms to get in the way, which I don't particularly like the arms on an office chair. So when I saw these chairs, I thought, oh yeah. But they don't support your back very well, because they make you sort of sit upright, which is good. That's why I've got it. But I thought I'd get a little pillow. Oh, it's so pretty. Just to support the base of my back on this chair. So it's got a zip fastener. And there it is. What do you think? Now, I don't know if they do other flags. They probably do, but there's so many pillowcases. But that's going to be on my chair. Yes. I like that one. That one's a keeper. That one's good. Nice. Perfect, that one. Okay. Next, liking that pillowcase a lot. And that's going to live on my chair. Right, this is the next one. Oh, it's bigger. The cat and dog are having a little fight there. As long as the cat doesn't scratch. Monty, stop. So this is the first one. How cute is that? No, it's not a pepper pot. It is toothpick. And it just pulls off. So you put your toothpicks in there, and it looks like it's, because it's all it is that little little rubber grommet there that keeps the lid of the toothpick holder on, or the mushroom cap. And it's like walnut. It's quite a nice heavy. It would have been good if it had been a screw on or something with a little bit more oomph rather than that plastic. But I really like it. My toothpick holder in the cupboard, I keep accidentally knocking it over and the toothpicks keep going flying. So I saw this and I thought it was super cute. I mean, you wouldn't have to use it as a toothpick holder if you want, because it's cute decor, but I'm going to be using it as a toothpick holder, and it's walnuts, that one. I like that one. Yes, that one's staying. That's super cute. Next, something practical. I had some of these before, but I gave it to my friend Helen, so I thought I'd best pick up some more, and they're just crevice brushes. It's kind of really, I like them to go around the taps. I used to use a toothbrush, but because now I've got an electric one, I've never really got a spare dirty old toothbrush to use anymore. So I pick up these little crevice brushes, and they're just quite thick, dense, stiff bristles, but they go all around the tap area to get rid of that, and also just on the inside of my washing machine. Where else do I use it? On the windows, you know, the little edges, the little grooves in the window, it does them as well. And I got all three of them were for pence. Let me have a look. 88 pence for all three of those. Now, funnily enough, yeah, there's a company on the TV advertising crevice brushes, two of them for £9.99. Yes, they might have a thicker handle, or yes, they might be slightly longer, but it's the same thing. 88p for three. So, yeah, and because I gave my friend one, I had to get some more. Next, this is going to be a super quick haul. I have got another haul coming, like I said, but it's not here yet, and I wanted to get on. Oh, these are cute. How many in these? I think there's 40 in this. Let's have a look. Let me bring up my list because it will tell me a little bit easier than this packet. There's 40. They're 2 to 2.5 centimetres wide. And these are wooden daisies. Look at them. Now, normally I only like the daisies with 5 petals. That's my thing. And these have got 6. But hey, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some in here that I'm going to use. But I thought, oh, when I'm building like little sets of drawers or I'm decorating something, these will add like little daisy textures to things I can paint over. So these are added to my craft stash. And there's 40 of these little wooden things. That's cool. Next is this one. Now the box is a little bit squashed on one side, so hopefully it's still okay. And I bought this. Originally, I ordered this. You know when I ordered that hallway table, which was a disaster, and I still haven't had the refund back on that yet. So I must chase that. I ordered this little lamp that I thought would sit in the hallway on the table. But I've still got a table there at the moment, so if it's all in one piece. Okay. What's in there? Okay, so it's USB. Let's put that on the floor for the dogs to play with. Then she might leave my chair alone. So yeah, it's USB. It's a simple sort of minimalistic. You can see the LED lights up there. And it's like you've got like a touch button here, but it's really just a touch. Simple on, off. The dog is chewing the heck out of the box. I don't know if you can hear her. That's pretty. Now they had these in, I'm pretty sure they had it in silver and black as well, but I just fancied this sort of brushed gold effects. That's really pretty. It's not very bright, but I'll do what I normally do is I'll put it in the hallway, and then tonight I'll do a quick vid and slip it in here so we can see just how bright it is. But it's very pretty and very nice. I like that, and I'll give that another charge up and we'll slip in a video. So that's the lamp. I'm liking that one. That was pretty. And of course she is USB. So there's the light on. It lets off just enough light. Her dog's just been put to bed, hence the noise that you're going to hear. but we'll ignore her for a second. Let me shut this door here, because obviously I've got my bedroom light on. There we go. Now it's just the lamp. And that's how much light it lets off. It's plenty. Right, next. Okay, next. Is this the last one? This is the last one. Told you it would be a quickie, which is good, because then I can get back to playing with the puppy. And I want to get my diamond painting haul done today. So this is the next one. Now, I rarely order clothing from Temu because I don't have much luck. But when I saw this, I had to give it a go and see if it was any good. And once you see it, you'll know why. But I ordered this, funnily enough, in a green as well. But they ran out of stock of green and gave me £4 coupon because they couldn't fulfill the order of the green one. But this is the sort of, it's classified as pink, but it's like a peachy pink. But look, it's got daisies on it. So it's a nice big cardigan. Let's put it on. Let's see what it's like. Yep, dog is happily destroying the box that I've just given her. It's coming up a little snug for my size. I am a big girl though. But the sleeves are nice and long. If you're ordering one, it might be worth going up a size. Yeah, it's a little snug. I'd say it's all right me sat here in it, but I don't think I'd go out and about in it. Right then, puppy, because it doesn't fit nice enough. Look, I'd have to, and because it's like there's no buttons or anything, it's a bit small. What a shame. Actually, I might have to send this one back because it is small. And I know I'm not going to wear it because it doesn't go around my big belly. But I like it. Go up a size and it'd be quite nice. What a shame. I liked this one. Can you hear the puppy? Going mad with the box. Anyway, I'm going to have to wrap this one up and send it back. I'm going to go do my B-rolls, beat up the puppy a little bit, give it a play so that I can wear her out so I can get on and do my diamond painting haul. So that's it today. Nice quick one today. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to catch you on the next one, which won't be too long because, as I say, I've already ordered it. And I'll see you in a minute when I do my diamond painting haul. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to catch you on the next one, which won't be far away now. So be good, look after yourself, and I'll see you later. Bye. Say bye, Daisy. No, she's eating the box.